Hello there. Now in this video we are going to discuss how to solve a cubic equation. So a cubic equation looks like this. In this form, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equals to 0. Here a should not be equals to 0. If it is equal to 0, then it will become a quadratic equation, which we know how to solve the equation. Let's say we have this quadratic equation bx square plus cx plus d equals to 0. Then its solution will be minus c plus minus root over c square minus 4 bd by 2b. So this will be the solution. Two solutions. One will be plus and one will be minus. So this is the solution of a quadratic equation, right? So this we know already. Now we'll learn in this video how to solve a cubic equation. So let's take this example. Lambda cube minus 18 lambda square plus 99 lambda minus 162 equals to 0. Here if we take the coefficient, here a equals to 1, b equals to minus 18, c is equal to 99, and d equals to 162 minus 162, and our x here is lambda. We have taken different variable here, just name convention, you can take x also. So now what to do? So first thing we have to do is we have to check whether lambda is equal to plus minus 1 is a root of this equation or not. So we'll try to put 1 in place of lambda and try to see whether uh, it works or not, whether it gives 0 or not. 99 lambda, sorry, again into 1 is equal to 99 minus 162 equals to, so this will become 1. So minus term are 18 and 162, so the 180, I think, minus 180, and the plus term is 100, right? So it will be minus 80, so not equals to 0. So 1 is not a root of this equation. Then check minus 1. So minus 1 cube minus 18 into minus 1 square plus 99 into minus 1 minus 162. So this will become minus 1 minus 18 plus 99 minus 162. So this will become minus 181 plus 99. So this will give us 78. So 181 minus 99 with 11,927. This will be 82, right? Am I correct? 927 1798. So minus 82. I think it is correct. So again, it is not equal to 0. So minus 1 is not a root of this equation. Now what we have to do is we have to write all the factors of a and d. So a is 1, so it will have plus minus 1 as its factor. D is minus 162, so plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 6, plus minus 9, and this way there will be other factors also. So let's do other thing, other steps. So this is our step 1. If this not works, and if this works, then I'll say what to do. First, let's say if let's say plus 1 is a root of this equation, then what we'll do is we'll take this equation. Let's say we do like this. We'll multiply lambda minus 1 with some ax square plus bx plus c, and we'll equate it with our x ax sorry, it is lambda, right? So we'll equate it with a lambda square plus b lambda plus c, and it will equate it with minus 18 lambda square plus 99 lambda minus 162, and here we'll get the value of a, b, and c. So as we have known, one of the root is 1. If plus 1 is a root from this test, we can find out whether plus or minus 1 is a root. If plus 1 is a root, then we'll multiply lambda minus 1. If plus minus 1 is a root, then we'll multiply lambda plus 1 with this, and we'll find the value of a, b, c by equating this with this equation. Then we'll get a quadratic equation here, and we can solve this using this formula. But if these two are not the root of this equation, like in this case, we have to do these steps. So yeah, these steps we have to follow. So first we have to find the factors of this a coefficient and this coefficient d. So for a it is 1, so plus minus 1 is the vector, and for d it is minus 162, so it will be plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 6, and plus minus 9. Now what we have to do is we have to do something like this: d by a. So plus minus 1 by plus minus 1 will be plus minus 1, plus minus 2 by plus minus 1 will be plus minus 2. Similarly, plus minus 3, plus minus 6, plus minus 9, and other factors will be there. Now we'll do something called, so this is our step 2. Now the step 3 is we'll do something called synthetic division. I'll explain what is that. So we'll do something called synthetic division. So to do this, what we have to do is to take yeah, we have tested this plus minus 1, so let's cross this because these are not the roots. So we'll try with 2, and our coefficient are 1, minus coefficient of the equation minus 18, 99, minus 162. So the first step is bring this one here and multiply this 2 with this one and write it here. Now add these two things, so it will be minus 16. Again multiply 2 with minus 16, so it will be minus 32. Add these two, so this is 7 and this is 6. Right, now after multiply, again multiply 2 with 67 and it will give 4, 13, and again add these two, so it will give you 12, 4, 8, 5, 3, 2, minus 28. As this is not equals to 0, so 2 is not a root of the cubic equation. So we'll try with minus 2 now. So let's erase this. Yeah, so we'll try with minus 2. So first bring 1 here, then multiply minus 2 with 1, so it will be minus 2, and adding these 2, it will be minus 20. Again multiplying minus 2 with minus 20, it will be 40 plus 40, so it is 139 now. Now multiplying 2 with 139, it is 260 and 78, 278. Now adding these two will get 6, 7, 1, 1. So 166. Again it is not equal to 0. So minus 2 is also not a root of our cubic equation. Now again erase these things. And now try with 3. Now if we try with 3, then again bring 1 here. 3 1s are 3. Adding this to 15, minus 15. Again minus 15 into 3 will be minus 45. Again subtracting 45 from 99 will be, again actually will be adding, so minus is there, so it will be actually subtracting. So 4, 5, and again 54 into 3 will be 50, 162, right? So it will plus 162. Adding this 2 will give 0. So our test first. So lambda, one value of lambda is 3, which will satisfy our cubic equation. That means 3 is a root of the given cubic system, right? Now what we'll do, we have these coefficients, so these are very useful. So what we'll do, we'll write accordingly our equation: minus 15 lambda plus 54 equals to 0. So this is our quadratic equation that will have after factoring out this term. So we can write our cubic equation as this. So we can write lambda minus 3 whole into lambda square minus 15 lambda plus 54 equals to 0. Now lambda equal to 3 is a solution, and from here we can find lambda square, and you can split this into 6 lambda minus 9 lambda such that summation will be equal to this and product will be equal to this. So in that way, as you know in your elementary school, so lambda, if you take lambda common, lambda minus 6, if you take minus 9 common here, lambda minus 6 equals to 0. Now if we take lambda minus 6 common, then it will be lambda minus 9 equals to 0. And again you have here lambda equal to 6 and lambda equal to 9 as your solution. So either lambda equal to 6 or lambda equal to 9. So overall we have lambda equal to 3, 6 or 9 as our solution. So this is how we are going to solve a cubic equation. Thank you for your time and have a good day.